In this video, we'll look at using iSupport to send correspondence. While you can send an email to the person who has a problem, it can be helpful to use iSupport's correspondence system to send those emails instead. To send a correspondence, first open the ticket. Next, here on the upper left, click New and select Correspondence. Correspondence will open in a new window. The first thing I want to do on the page that appears is select my template. Right now there's only one, but we may add others later on. Select it and click Apply. Now you'll see this window updates with the template information. The subject has changed, and so has this description down here. Notice this looks a lot like an email window. That's because it basically is an email. The advantage to using correspondence is that anything that you send or receive in a reply to this email gets added to the ticket's work history, so that if your ticket gets transferred to someone else, or if you need to look at it later on, you can see all the corresponding back and forth between the customer that was done and have all the information you need to understand what happened with this ticket. I can add other people in the to, CC, or BCC fields. Just like an email, I can attach files. You can change the subject, but be sure not to change this ticket number field right here. Otherwise, a reply to this email will create a new ticket rather than adding that information to this ticket's work history. I'll enter some information here now. I've entered a short email for Barney down here below. I can also click this CC Others to Notify. If there are other people in the Others to Notify field on this ticket, it will copy them on this email. Otherwise, I can leave it blank and click Send. Now you'll notice that on the History field, we can see that this correspondence was received. I'm getting a delivery status notification because barney.rebel@sjsu.edu is not a real email address. But you can see the information that I sent. Specifically, if you go here to the correspondence part of the work history, I can see the exact email that was sent. And I can also see that we got a reply saying it wasn't a valid email address. And that's how you use this correspondence system in iSupport.